at home. Today we're going to make a color-changing eruption. Let's get started. You will need some vinegar, dish soap, a spoon, a cup, food coloring. Here I have a baking sheet to pick up the mess, and some water and baking soda. First you're going to fill the cup 2/3 of the way with water. Now you're going to add some food coloring, specifically a primary color. Here I'm going to do red. Next you're going to add 1 tablespoon of dish soap into the mixture. Now you're going to add 4 tablespoons of baking soda, depending on how foamy you want your mixture. You're going to mix that all together, and then we will add the vinegar. Now we're going to add about 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Now here goes the 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. Now that the foam is down, we are going to add another color. I'm going to add blue. Now we are going to add another 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. And now it's kind of changed to this blue purplish tone. Now that the foam is a little bit lower, I'm going to add some yellow. Now I'm going to add another 1/3 of a cup of vinegar. The foam reaction is caused by the baking soda and the vinegar, and when they mix, they foam up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Thank you for watching. Bye!